Eye Contact gets a 4 out of 5 stars rating. It frightened me in some moments, especially as when the stalker was very close to the runner. The two characters are the female runner and the shadow that seems to be stalking her. It takes place outdoors in a city as there is a beach and a road. The runner is trying to run away from her stalker, but everywhere she goes, he is there. All of this is to make the audience feel excited but also a little frightened at the same time. Imagery was used in this film quite often. The imagery of the wooden path made it seem like it was never ending. This would mean that she would have to run forever to escape her stalker. In addition, the imagery of the salt dropped on the floor describes the state of panic she is in. She is just so scared that she drops what she is holding. Also, the use of scary music was used to create suspense. As action in the film got more tense, the tempo of the music increased. Lastly, there are close-up shots of the runner. You can see from a close-up shot of her eyes that she is extremely frightened and she is desperate to escape. Hence, these techniques are used effectively as it makes the viewer feel frightened. It also presents a pretty realistic picture of events so the viewer is more into it. The overall quality of the film was excellent. The sound effects really contributed to the suspense and action of the movie. Its strength definitely is repetition. By that I mean it shows that the stalker is going to keep following her no matter what. I also liked that the setting kept changing to provide variety. An improvement to the film is that the problem was never resolved. I wonder who prevailed, the runner or the stalker. Furthermore, the part that I remember most about the film was when the stalker stood right next to the runner in the dirt path. This created real fright in the audience.